COVID-19, right? The pandemic that created the whole world to go and lock down. And this is the little model I made of COVID-19, the coronavirus, the pandemic, the dumbest thing in the world. This virus is actually not that complicated. In the middle, it's got DNA, and it is covered by a calcium shell. It is not a living organism. It is floating around. You do not see it. Bacteria cannot see it. The size of this virus, well, you may have heard that viruses are very, very, very small, but they're a lot smaller than you imagine. Now, if this was the virus, then about this would be what the bacteria was. So, as you can see, viruses are very small, but they can take over your body just all the same. Whereas bacteria are actually living, and you can use probiotics to kill them. How does it infect you? Well, for a start, the DNA is the most useful inside of the COVID-19 pandemic. So, it goes into your cell. Your cell is always the ones that the viruses come to. Well, let's say you're eating hamburgers. This is a hamburger cell. It's pretty cool. Look at that. It's just a hamburger. How cool is that? Okay, and then suddenly, virus comes. Okay, and then it sticks the DNA into the hamburger. Stop eating hamburgers! Stop! It's infecting your cell. Okay, it doesn't matter though, because now the virus has infected you. It is putting the DNA inside of your hamburger cell. The hamburger is glowing, and it is replicating this. Okay, let's pretend that that's lots of multiples. Anyway, it starts copying this virus. The virus spreads into your body. Suddenly, the cell explodes. It is full. It explodes. Suddenly, the virus is infecting your body. And not even your immune system can attack it. No, they don't know how to kill it, because it's never experienced it before. Luckily, scientists have introduced the vaccine. How does the vaccine work? Well, how in particular of one of the vaccines does it work? The one that's most hopeful to kill COVID-19. Well, it can't be killed because it's just unkillable because it has no life. But well, whatever. Okay, so the vaccine is called mRNA. The M inside of the vaccine's name stands for messenger. You see one of these spikes, right? Well, this is one of the coronavirus's claws. So this is what it does to attract into the cell. Or well, in my case, the hamburger cell. But anyway, this is injected into this. Or well, I probably can't get it in. But yeah, it goes in. And it's mixed with a few other things. That is the vaccine. So, as you can see the spike just over here, inside of the tube. The spike is part of the coronavirus, the COVID-19. So, when this happens, it is injected into your body. Okay, now let's pretend that let's see this dude again. Let's pretend this is your body. Okay, this is really weird for a body, but I don't care. Okay. And usually they have it on the arm. And push, it goes into your body. And what happens in your body? Well, killing. It's not part of the whole virus. So the DNA part of it can't really attack your cells. It's perfectly safe. But the immune system doesn't think it's safe. The immune system attacks it. It takes a few days to learn how to kill it, but eventually it does. It stores it up in the memory cell, the one that can kill the virus the second time it comes. Then, after the spike is killed, basically it replicates more of it, or more of the spike. They kill more of the spike, they learn more. Then, the virus is stopped. This isn't DNA. This is actually part of the RNA from the COVID-19 body. That's why the vaccine is called mRNA, messenger RNA. So now your cell is perfectly protected by the sword of justice. Now the hamburger cell is winning the war, and dun, 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 you can go back to eating hamburgers. Bye bye, see you next time. Dun, dun, dun.